Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to Infinite Manifestations. I'm thrilled to embark on this journey of exploration and empowerment with you as we dive into the fascinating world of numerology, specifically focusing on the profound significance of Universal Year 8 in 2024. Numerology, often regarded as the language of numbers, offers us a unique lens through which we can perceive the energetic vibrations that shape our lives. It's a powerful tool that allows us to decipher the hidden messages and cosmic energies intertwined with each passing year. Just as every individual possesses a distinct blueprint of energies based on their birth date, the collective energies of an entire year are encapsulated within what we call the Universal Year. Now, let's delve into the essence of Universal Year 8 and its transformative influence on our collective journey in 2024. In numerology, the number 8 embodies a multitude of powerful attributes: abundance, achievement, balance, manifestation, and empowerment. It stands as a beacon of strength, symbolizing the fruition of efforts, the alignment of forces, and the harmonious dance between the spiritual and material realms. Understanding Universal Year 8 is akin to holding a cosmic compass that guides us through the waves of energies prevalent in this time. It empowers us to comprehend the underlying themes, opportunities, and challenges that lay the foundation for personal and collective growth. Embracing this understanding can be a catalyst for steering our lives toward prosperity, success, and profound transformation. By unraveling the mysteries woven within the tapestry of Universal Year 8, we gain a deeper insight into how these energies can serve as catalysts for our personal evolution. It's a beacon of hope, guiding us towards aligning our intentions, actions, and aspirations with the prevailing cosmic energies, allowing us to manifest our deepest desires and aspirations. Moreover, comprehending the significance of Universal Year 8 serves as a roadmap for empowerment. It empowers us to harness the energies of this pivotal time, encouraging us to step into our authentic power, embrace leadership roles, and find balance in both our material pursuits and spiritual growth. This understanding isn't merely about foreseeing events, but rather about empowering ourselves to navigate through life's ebbs and flows with grace, wisdom, and a heightened sense of awareness. It's an invitation to align ourselves with the cosmic rhythm and dance in harmony with the universe, co-creating a reality that resonates with our deepest aspirations and dreams. In the subsequent segments, we'll explore the nuances of Universal Year 8, unveiling the key themes, opportunities, challenges, and practical tools that enable us to harness this incredible energy for our highest good. So, join me as we unlock the doors to abundance, empowerment, and transformation during this remarkable Universal Year 8 of 2024. What is a universal year in numerology? A universal year is derived by reducing the digits of the current year to a single digit. For instance, in 2024, we reduce 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 8, making it a Universal Year 8. This number encapsulates the prevailing energetic frequency that influences the collective consciousness and experiences throughout the year. Now, let's journey into the essence of the number 8 in numerology. The number 8 is often associated with an array of powerful attributes that resonate deeply within our lives. It symbolizes abundance, achievement, balance, manifestation, and empowerment. This number is like a symphony of energies blending the material and spiritual realms harmoniously. Abundance is a hallmark of the number 8. It signifies a time of plenty, not just in material wealth, but also in emotional richness, spiritual growth, and opportunities that align with our deepest desires. Achievement is another facet, representing the fruition of our efforts, the realization of goals, and the tangible rewards for hard work and dedication. Balance, a crucial aspect of the number 8, reminds us of the importance of equilibrium in all aspects of life. It calls for a harmonious integration between our material pursuits and spiritual evolution, emphasizing the need for stability and groundedness amid life's fluctuations. Manifestation is a key theme associated with the number 8, highlighting our ability to bring our thoughts, intentions, and desires into tangible reality. This year invites us to wield the power of manifestation consciously, aligning our actions with our aspirations to create the life we envision. Empowerment stands as a beacon within Universal Year 8, urging us to step into our personal power, take leadership roles, and make decisions that resonate with our authentic selves. It's an invitation to embrace our capabilities, recognize our strengths, and utilize them to create positive change in our lives and the world around us. The energy of Universal Year 8 permeates both personal and global experiences. Individually, it offers us a canvas to redefine our paths, make significant strides in our careers, foster stronger relationships, and attain personal growth. Globally, it influences economic trends, leadership dynamics, and societal shifts, paving the way for transformative changes on a larger scale. This year presents an opportune moment for us to tap into these abundant energies, align with the vibrations of the number 8, and embark on a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and fulfillment. As we navigate through Universal Year 8, let us remain open to the boundless possibilities it holds, embracing its energies with gratitude, intention, and a willingness to grow. In Universal Year 8, the energetic pulse of the number 8 resonates profoundly with various themes, offering us a wealth of opportunities and lessons across multiple facets of life. Let's begin with one of the central themes: financial success and material gains. The energy of the number 8 infuses this year with a potent vibrancy for financial prosperity and material achievements. It encourages us to embark on endeavors that align with abundance, smart investments, and sustainable wealth-building strategies. Personal power and leadership take center stage during this year. Universal Year 8 empowers us to step into our authentic power, fostering leadership qualities within ourselves and others. It's an opportune time to take charge of our lives, make impactful decisions, and inspire those around us to do the same. Moreover, the karmic balance inherent in Universal Year 8 cannot be overlooked. The number 8 is often associated with the concept of karma, the law of cause and effect. This year brings forth opportunities to address karmic imbalances, reconcile past actions, and sow the seeds for positive karmic cycles by acting with integrity, compassion, and responsibility. The influence of the number 8 touches various aspects of life. In career endeavors, it encourages us to aim high, take calculated risks, and persistently work towards our goals, ultimately reaping the rewards of diligence and ambition. Regarding relationships, Universal Year 8 encourages us to cultivate balanced, harmonious connections. It prompts us to seek equilibrium in our partnerships, fostering mutual respect, honesty, and a shared sense of purpose. It's a year to consolidate relationships that contribute positively to our growth, while releasing those that no longer serve our highest good. Health and well-being also come under the purview of Universal Year 8. The energetic influence urges us to strike a balance between work and self-care. It emphasizes the importance of holistic health practices, urging us to address imbalances and invest in our physical, mental, and emotional wellness. Spiritually, Universal Year 8 offers a chance for profound growth. It invites us to explore the deeper meanings of our existence, connecting with our inner wisdom, and aligning our actions with our spiritual values. This year beckons us to seek spiritual balance amidst the hustle and bustle of material pursuits. By acknowledging the influence of karma within the energetic tapestry of Universal Year 8, we understand that our actions during this period can significantly influence our future experiences. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of our actions and the cyclical nature of cause and effect, encouraging us to act consciously, ethically, and compassionately. In essence, Universal Year 8 invites us to embrace the opportunities it presents across all aspects of life, while fostering a mindful awareness of our actions, thereby aligning ourselves with the greater cosmic harmony and the fulfillment of our karmic destinies. This year beckons us to set bold intentions, cultivate resilience, and pursue our aspirations with unwavering determination. The vibrational essence of Universal Year 8 fosters an environment conducive to material gains, career advancements, and the realization of long-held ambitions. It serves as a catalyst for taking calculated risks, seizing opportunities, and translating our visions into tangible results. However, amidst the promising prospects, It's crucial to remain mindful of potential challenges that might surface during this transformative period. Maintaining balance becomes paramount amidst the pursuit of success. The allure of material gains might lead to a temptation for overindulgence or an imbalanced focus on worldly possessions. Striking a harmonious equilibrium between our material ambitions and spiritual well-being is key to navigating this energy effectively. Another challenge lies in avoiding the trap of greed or excessive ambition that might cloud our judgment. By staying grounded and practicing mindfulness, we can channel the energy of Universal Year 8 in a way that aligns with our higher purpose and values. Managing responsibilities is an essential aspect of harnessing the energy of Universal Year 8 for personal fulfillment. It's a year that rewards diligent effort, responsible decision-making, and disciplined action. Cultivating a strong sense of accountability in all our endeavors ensures that we make the most of the opportunities presented while maintaining integrity and ethical conduct. Wow, wasn't that an amazing dive into the transformative energy of Universal Year 8 in 2024? But wait, beautiful souls, this is just the beginning. If you're hungry for more empowering insights about this incredible universal year, don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up to stay tuned for the next mind-blowing episode. In our upcoming video, we're turning up the heat. Get ready to uncover the juiciest secrets on how to turbocharge your life with the energy of Universal Year 8. We're talking practical tips that will knock your socks off. I'll be dishing out powerful mantras, sharing insider tricks, and unlocking the keys to personal fulfillment like never before. This journey is just getting started, and trust me, you don't want to miss a single moment of this cosmic ride. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and get ready to soar to new heights in our next exhilarating episode. Remember, you're the creator of your destiny, and together, we're unleashing the unlimited potential of Universal Year 8. Get excited, stay inspired, and let's make 2024 your year of unstoppable manifestation and blissful abundance. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep shining and manifesting your dreams with the vibrant energy of Universal Year 8. Catch you in the next one. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future